Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr. Thank you so much for being here. I have a really fun, exciting haul I did today at CVS, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. And I also want to point out I got my hair done. Yes, I got my hair done today, so I'm back to being blonde and I'm having so much fun with it. So I just love it, love it, love it. So thank you, Ashley, for doing my hair today. I love it. So yeah, I'm just really, I love that, you know, fresh out of the salon feeling, and it just feels so good to be back to where I was with my blonde. So anyway, so I went ahead and went to CVS today, and so I want to show you, I got some really awesome deals at CVS. So I'm going to go ahead and break it down with what I paid and how I did this deal with my coupons, okay? So let me go ahead and get started. So let's see, how did I start with this? Okay, so let me think correctly what I did. So I got a thing of Kit Kats and a thing of York peppermint patties. So what it was is, let me grab my receipts so I tell you correctly how I saved my money. So, you know, CVS is really, really good about sending me coupons. They're so good about it. They send some really great coupons. Okay, so this deal for right today was you buy, let's see, you buy, how did it go? You buy 2 bags and you receive $1 back in rewards, okay? So, but they had sent me a $2 off reward. So I had added that to my card. And then they also had sent me a buy one get one free on my card. So I had a buy one get one free and a $2 off reward. And if you bought these, it would print you out $1 reward. I know, right? So basically, so this came to, and I'm gonna find the receipt. There's 3 receipts here. So let me say, okay, so this was normally $4.39 and this was normally $4.39. Okay, so $4.39, $4.39, and then I had a buy one get one free I used, and a $2 reward, and so it made my total come to be 99 cents for both bags each. I mean, 99 cents total for 2 bags of candy. Then it printed out a $1 register reward, or whatever they call it. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact term of it. So it was like these were free because it also had, after I paid the 99 cents, it gave me $1 reward. So then what I did is, that was the first transaction. So 99 cents for both of these plus $1 back. So basically free. So then I went ahead and I bought the Purex. This is the Oxy Stain Remover, 24 loads, Fresh Morning Burst one. And this was on sale today for, let me look at this receipt now. This was on sale for normally okay, so it's normally $5.69 in the store. Then, let me see here. The original price is $5.69. Then it was on sale for $1.99, okay? And I had my $1 reward. So then it brought it down to, let's see. Okay, so it was $1.99, okay? Then I used my $1 reward that I had. So I paid a total of $124 for this with tax. So again, normally $5.69, I paid $124. So we are looking at, yeah, so I'm gonna add up my total in a second to make sure I am telling you guys this correctly. So then I picked up one more bottle of this because I think it printed out, I think what happened here is it printed out, oh yeah, so I bought this and then it gave me a $2 rewards because I bought this, and I had no idea I was going to do that, so that was like a nice surprise. So when I paid $1.24 for this, I also got a $2 reward to use in the store again. So I got another one of these. So this one again was on sale for $1.99, and I used my $2 rewards, making this absolutely zero cost. Isn't that amazing? So this purchase with my coupons cost me a total of $0. Then this one cost me, with all my couponing, a total of, let's see, a total of one, because I paid for a bag, so with $1.14, so free $1.14 and 99 cents. So so about $2.15 for all of this. Isn't that amazing? $2.15 for all of this. I mean, that's why I love CVS. I just like, it's so awesome. And they are so good about sending me coupons. Like, I have one more I didn't use yet. It was like 20% off, like, what was it for? 20% off, I think, drinks, like, you know, like beverages, that's the word, beverages. So I didn't see anything today I needed for that. But anyway, $2.14 for all of this. It's just like, wow, 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 okay? So if I had paid full price for this, it would have been what? I said $4, so I'm gonna round up. So 5, 10, 15, 20, about $20 if I had bought this full price and I paid, what was it? Actually, I think I just said it was $1, right? No, I think I'm getting my math wrong. $1.15 and so $2.15. Sorry, I don't know if I said $1.15 for everything. $2.15 for everything. Yeah, so $2.15 versus $20. Yeah, I'm so excited. I was like, yes, I'm so excited. So that is my deal for CVS, and thank you CVS for the coupons. Love it. I didn't even have to have any paper coupons that I brought in myself because it was all loaded to my card. So it was just like, it's like such an easy peasy like way to save money. I mean, seriously, like, and you guys know I love my laundry detergent. So I was like really happy about it. And it smells really good. I can smell like right here. Like, I'm gonna smell it really quick because I can smell it coming out of this bottle. Oh yeah, that smells really clean. I don't know if I've smelled this one before. It's the same one. Yeah, that smells nice. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I really do appreciate you guys being here. I hope that you enjoyed my little tiny haul, but it was a good savings, so I was excited to get on here and show you guys. So with that being said, have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I'll see you guys soon with my next haul, okay? Till next time, talk to you guys soon. Take care. Thanks again. Bye.